Ready to take a bite? This is peas and broccoli. Don't gag. Go, take another bite. Do you like it? Do you like it? You just gagged a minute ago, but now you like it? Is it good now? Swallow it. You're just letting it sit in your mouth. Sissy calls you a chipmunk, doesn't she? Take another bite. Good job. You gotta eat it. There you go. Is it good? Do you like it now? Take another bite. Good job.